Ever dream of building a booming online business without the pressure of being Insta-famous? You know, skipping the selfies and spotlights and focusing purely on building a money-making machine disguised as an Instagram account? Well, buckle up, because we're about to crack the code on faceless Instagram accounts and show you exactly how to turn them into passive income powerhouses. That's right, we're talking about building a loyal following, going viral on the reg, and raking in serious cash, all without ever revealing your identity. Step 1. Unearthing your niche. It's not just about passion. This might surprise you, but picking your niche isn't just about following your heart, although a little passion never hurts. It's about finding the sweet spot where opportunity meets profitability. Here's what you want to consider. Is it trending or in high demand? People are more likely to follow an account that solves a current problem or caters to a growing interest. Can you make money from it? Think about how you can eventually monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Do you have some skills or experience in this area? Building credibility goes a long way, and leveraging your existing knowledge can give you a head start. Does it light a little fire in your soul? Okay, now's the time for a dash of passion. While it doesn't have to be your deepest life purpose, some level of genuine interest will fuel your content creation. Step 2. Crafting your faceless persona. It's all about branding, baby. Your Instagram account is your business storefront, and just like any store, you need a brand that pops. Here's how to create a faceless brand that grabs attention. Color psychology. Did you know colors evoke emotions? Choose a color palette that reflects your niche and the message you want to convey. For example, blue is associated with trust, perfect for an account focused on financial advice. Naming your masterpiece. This deserves some thought. Use tools like Namelicks to brainstorm catchy names that resonate with your niche. Profile optimization. This is your first impression, so make it count. Use a high-quality logo or image that represents your brand, a keyword-rich username, and a clear, concise bio that tells people what you're all about. Here's an example. Bio. Helping you master the art of budgeting. Grew from 0 to 500,000 followers in 3 months. Step 3. Demystifying the algorithm. It's not magic, it's science. Here's the thing about Instagram. It doesn't show your posts to everyone at once. They show it to a small group first, and based on how those initial viewers react, they decide who else sees it. That's where engagement comes in. Engagement is king and queen. The more likes, comments, shares, and saves your posts get, the wider their reach becomes. High engagement can even push your content onto the coveted Explore page, exposing you to a massive audience. The viral sweet spot. Imagine a post with 17 million views. That's what happened when our team member focused on creating highly shareable content that people couldn't resist saving and resharing. Step 4. Content is king, but remember, engagement is the queen. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of your faceless empire content. This is where you inform, entertain, and ultimately, hook your audience. Here are some secrets to crafting scroll-stopping content. Start with a bang. Those first few seconds are crucial. Use attention-grabbing hooks to reel viewers in. Think questions, surprising statements, or even a little healthy controversy, but keep it classy, of course. Stay true to your niche. Remember, you're building an audience around a specific topic. Consistency is key, so deliver valuable content that speaks directly to your niche's interests and challenges. Research is your BFF. Don't reinvent the wheel. Explore top-performing accounts in your niche and see what kind of content resonates with their audience. Use that intel to inspire your own creative ideas. Canva to the rescue. You don't need fancy design skills to create stunning visuals. Tools like Canva offer user-friendly templates and design elements that can elevate your content in minutes. Keywords, your secret weapon. Don't underestimate the power of search. Include relevant keywords in your captions so people can discover your content when they search for related topics on Instagram. Step 5. The art of the post, when and how often to unleash your content. Timing is everything, even on Instagram. Here's how to strategically schedule your posts for maximum impact. Peak performance research when your target audience is most active on Instagram. Aim to post when they're most likely to see and engage with your content. Quality over quantity. It's better to post consistently high-quality content than to flood your feed with mediocre stuff. Aim for a sweet spot that keeps your audience engaged without feeling overwhelmed. Authentic engagement. Building a community goes beyond just posting. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. This human touch fosters loyalty and keeps people coming back for more. The dark side, we don't go there. Avoid the temptation to buy fake followers or engagement. It's a recipe for disaster. Focus on organic growth and building genuine connections with your audience. Step 6. From likes to lucrative, unveiling the monetization magic. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, turning your loyal following into a cash-generating machine. Here are some of the ways you can monetize your faceless Instagram empire. Digital downloads, ebooks, courses, and printables are all fantastic ways to offer valuable content to your audience while generating passive income. Brand collaborations. Once you've built a sizable following, brands will be knocking at your door for sponsored posts and product promotions. Merch mania. Design your own branded merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, etc., and leverage your audience to turn them into raving fans and paying customers. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale you generate through your affiliate links. Step 7. The proof is in the pudding, a case study in success. Remember the account we mentioned earlier? The one that grew to over 530,000 followers in just 90 days and reached over 40 million people with its content? That's the power of this strategy in action. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Our team is constantly testing new growth and monetization tactics to push the boundaries of what's possible with faceless Instagram accounts. So, are you ready to ditch the selfies and build a money-making empire from the shadows? With the right approach, dedication, and a dash of creativity, you can turn your Instagram account into a passive income powerhouse. Remember, be strategic, be consistent, and be valuable to your audience. The rest, as they say, is history. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing business ideas. Like this video if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Share with your friends who are ready to earn money. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.